this video, I'm going to show you how to create head-turning landing pages in 7 seconds flat for free. You can create websites, landing pages, sales pages, or any kind of simulation that you want to, whatever your little heart desires basically with this tool. It's a free tool and it's called websim.ai. You can do pretty much anything on here, but I'm going to show you specifically in this video how to create head-turning sales pages or landing pages or squeeze pages in 7 seconds flat for free. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to head over. We're going to go over to my main site. I'm going to show you my main landing page, and we're going to turn that into another landing page using this free tool called websim.ai. So what we're going to do is go over here. Instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Free PDF of top tools and secrets. And then you can read this right here. Very good guide. And I also got an hour-long unlock your exclusive AI video masterclass. You can read that right here. Transform your content with insider secrets in record time. Gain 1 hour of jam-packed insider tips and strategies with AI writing secrets exposed. Creating irresistible content with ChatGPT the ranks and tricks of AI content detectors in the process. And tricks all AI content detectors in the process. So let me know where to send that to you if you're interested in growing your YouTube channel or creating professional style YouTube videos or any videos in general. You're going to want to get your hand on this. But what we're going to do is we're going to recreate this page. Link will be directly below in the video description box. Forgot to add that. As well as the one for WebSim AI. So you guys can check both these out directly below. So we're going to go back over to websim.ai. And we're going to tell it to create a landing page that models my homepage. Create a landing page that exactly models my homepage, which is then the name of your site or wherever you want it to link to. I want you to create a call to action button that links to my URL. When clicked, and opens in a new tab. All right, I got that in there. This is just for start. This is just for starters, and then we're going to go from there. And I'm going to show you one that I created actually right before I created this video, but I want to do this live so you can see it, the process of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, it's about 7 seconds, maybe 8. And it created this. Did I even put that in there? No, but hang on, let's do this over again. I don't think I didn't put in the text. Keep the same, but model it after this text. Forgot to paste the text in there. No big deal. Let's paste that in and let it work again. Hit enter, just wait for it, and it comes up, like you said, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. It's all different times, but it's all under 10 seconds or under. It's quick. And it's free. That's the best part. And there you go right there. Not too bad. And that links directly to my squeeze page here. Look at that. Look how easy that was. It's got Jay's Online Reviews, AI Video Mastery, instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI, free PDF to the top tools. And this is pretty much the same. And you can ask and see we got it highlighted. This looks pretty good. I'd want it to look a little more professional than this, obviously, but for right off the get-go, it looks pretty good. So we can say, and you can do this with anything. Like you can find Maybe a company that's got a squeeze page, a landing page, something that you like that you want to model, maybe a landing page after that you know converts well, or a squeeze page. You can just kind of copy theirs. You don't want to copy and steal their content, but you can model it after their content, is what I'm saying. It gives you some ideas. So you can get a desired look that you want, and then work your way from there. Okay, well, now what we're going to do now is I'm going to say keep everything the same, but add pictures representing YouTube video editing and the top tools. The header picture should be very professional and put a few more related pictures in the actual bullet points of the content. Let's see what it comes up with right now. Hit enter. Let's go. We're off to the races. I don't know. Let's give me some code up there. Let's see what happens here. Here we go. There we go. There's a picture right there. Picture here. Picture here. Picture. Now it looks a little better. My link here. Then you can also, tell it whatever you want. Keep everything as is. I want the button to be blue. And then it'll keep everything as is. Change your button to blue. Keep everything as is and add more headers. Basically whatever you tell it to do, this is going to do. And it's free. So you can use this to... This is another one I created. This one came out really good. AI Video Mastery. Create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Unlock the hidden power of AI to produce pro-quality content that drives views and grows your channel fast. Get your free AI editing guide, and there's a call to action here. You click it, goes on over to my home page, exactly where I want it to go. So you can share this page to build leads, to create your own sales page, your own landing page. Basically, the sky's the limit with this. And then to publish it, let me show you a few more features with this free software that you're going to find very useful. And I don't want to forget this. There's the 3 buttons here at the top. Right here. Let me open up my pen so I can kind of show you guys. All right, we're going to be right here. We're going to open this up. Copy URL, download, delete, settings. So you can actually download whatever pages you make and probably use it on your own site. If you're good at coding, I think there's an HTML version of this. In fact, I know there is, so you can actually, because I messed with it once, and try to put the page on my site, and it did work. So there's different ways that you can take these pages, and if you have an actual website, you can put these pages on your actual website, which is cool. You're wondering, I use WordPress, as do probably most of the people watching this video, so you can do that. You can also do the copy URL. There's delete, and there's settings. This is the button right here. You want to publish this. This is very important. So this right here, let's open this up again. And we're going to go right here. Arrow at that spot right there. Delete it. Open that up. And then you're going to see this open up where it says edit bookmark. Publish right here. Make sure you click that. That turns blue. Now this is published so people can find it online or anywhere else. So there's your link right here. You can copy the link right there. Let's see here. Say copy link. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to paste it. And there you go. It leads right back over to this. And this is the one that I created before, and it came out a little better. And you can see it's got all the bullet points. Basically a nice little landing page, squeeze page. And I created literally in seconds. And I can always make this better and refine it. There's a home button here, refresh. These change, I think, the backgrounds or something. Not too sure. I don't use these too much. There's some options over here. You just got to play around with this. But the two main options are here: copy URL, download. Like I said, if you want to download this and use it somewhere else, you can do that. Delete, settings, and make sure the publish button. You can do the bookmark it and publish it. Make sure it's published. And then so you get your link and all that stuff. But that's it. That's how to create pro landing pages in literally 7 seconds for free using a free tool that I discovered about a month ago that I've been messing around with here and there, called websim.ai. So if you enjoyed this video, you want to check out websim.ai for yourself. You want to create your own landing page, website, sales page, whatever your little heart desires. You can create pretty much anything with this tool. The link's going to be directly below, directly under the video description box, along with my link to my free YouTube video editing guide. Make sure you pick that up. And I got that 1 hour bonus video is really good content where I show you how to use ChatGPT to create undetectable AI content that ranks and passes AI detection. So it's a really good video. It'll give you some good tips. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like it if you enjoyed the content, and be sure to subscribe for future video updates. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.